Hello everyone, this is Rahul Chaudhary, and today we are going to do a program in Python using list. It is just a very basic program where we are taking input from the user and we are displaying it as a list, nothing else. So, first of all, we have created a variable called n, this one, where we are taking the size of the element, means how many element will be there. So we are just asking for the size. So as it is written, how many names do you want to add? Like if someone want to add 10 names, they will provide 10 here basically. Then we have created an empty list called names. So this is our empty list. Now we get the size and we have created an empty list also. So using a for loop where we have given the range as n, here n is the size which we have taken from the user. So here we have started a for loop where I in range till suppose whatever the value of n. So name is equal to input. Now in this in line number 8, the user will continuously giving us the name one by one, and after that only we will append is nothing but a inbuilt function in Python which will append or add the names that the user will provide one by one into the list. That's it. So in line number 8, the user will enter the names one by one, and then simultaneously we will be adding that name to our empty list, and then here we are displaying our list which is names. So let's run it. How many names do you want to add? Let's suppose 4. Enter name 1 Rahul, name 2 Raj, Rohit, Rohit, Rohan. That's it. Enter. The list of the names is Rahul, Raj, Rohit, Rohan. Successful. Thank you. I hope you understand the video and enjoyed the video.